What's good, people? We back. I'm just letting niggas know, like, I'm CMB niggas is definitely back, and we're ripping down the Gucci store all day, nigga. Like, my nigga Dave, my nigga Young J, my nigga Rob, my nigga Carl, my nigga Dustin, my nigga Petey. We are definitely out here. Keep it on fucking radar, man. We just out here. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is like, we on some shit that niggas don't even know what we be talking about now. So we downtown with seersuckers on our feet and shit. Like, niggas like, what the fuck this nigga got on his feet? Like, fucking seersuckers. Like, bro. Like, fucking Breitling on the fucking arm. Like, it's a fucking Breitling for you good niggas. Like, y'all be looking like, I want to go get a JoJo. I want to go get a Fossil. Nigga, go get a fucking Breitling, nigga. A fucking Breitling, nigga. Do you know how much this shit is on my wrist, nigga? No damage. I ain't get the bright watch. I got the right watch, little nigga. Fuck you mean? But we just giving y'all that heads up. Put the 3 goggles on, cause I missed that. Shout out to all my niggas though. You know what I'm saying? All my, if I fuck with you, my niggas. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Cliff, Jay, my nigga. Youngster, what up, my nigga? You I fucks with you, nigga. We groupies, remember? I fucks with you. Everybody, I fuck with all my niggas. You know who my niggas is. Everybody, I'm just waiting to say we out here. I went to the Gold Coast yesterday. I'm just thinking like, what should I cop for? Such a hard decision. I don't even know what I should do. I was thinking about the red GT, but it's like, I don't know yet. Like, cause I don't like ketchup, so I don't even think I want the red. I don't like yellow. I don't like mustard either. I don't know, like, but I think about the green one because I love money. I'm thinking that one. Like, it might be here. Like, I'm just saying, niggas gotta watch out. When them drop heads come through, niggas gonna be like, fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Fucking drop head, niggas, get your fucking cake up. I'll be back, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna let you niggas know it's a sneak preview. I fucks with you though.